Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Music. This gets you to System Audio Controls. Once there, make sure Apple Music is allowed and the app is updated so Equalizer options show. Tap Playback or Audio/Visual to reveal Equalizer. You do this now because the system-level EQ affects all music playback. Once you see Equalizer, don't choose a preset yet. Just confirm the list loads so you can compare presets properly in the next step. You should play a familiar song in Apple Music so changes are obvious. Scroll the Equalizer list and select presets like Bass Booster, Flat, or Vocal Booster. Each changes frequency emphasis differently. Once you tap a preset, listen for bass, midrange, or treble shifts and note how vocals or drums move forward or back. Make sure to cycle through several presets while the song loops so you hear real-time differences. Before settling, after choosing the preset that sounds best, exit Settings so the change applies system-wide. Apple Music now uses that EQ for all playback. If you get odd sound or no change, make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio incorrectly, restart Apple Music, or reboot the device. If a preset causes distortion, switch immediately to Flat to eliminate tonal boosts. Finally, if settings still misbehave, update iOS or check headphone firmware. These steps resolve most stubborn Equalizer issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.